This is the receiving part of the plant, where thousands of tomatoes arrive daily on these precision conveyor systems. Along the central artery of the plant, these automated systems provide critical oversight. The digital readouts
This is the heart of crimson, extracted and refined, showcasing the natural essence of the tomato.
Now fully cooked, the sauce is thicker and a richer shade of red as it is pumped from the vat through these large stainless steel pipes.
The sauce flows through a finisher system, where screens mechanically separate seeds and skins, ensuring a smooth final product.
The smooth puree enters the evaporators for concentration. This is the heart of the flavor-intensifying process.
The process begins here, with thousands of bottles sterilized and ready for the filling line.
The empty bottles are fed into a rinsing and sterilizing machine, where they are blasted with high-pressure steam, ensuring absolute sterility.
The dry, warm bottles proceed towards the labeling machine, their journey nearing its end.
powerful, calculated movements, the palletizer ensures the integrity of the product, stacking perfect layers every time. This facility represents the cutting edge of global logistics, with floor-to-ceiling racks stretching for miles.
The AGV system ensures pinpoint accuracy, maximizing storage density in this towering facility.
The culmination of our journey. The freshest tomatoes, slow simmered to perfection.
A testament to modern engineering, the facility operates with unparalleled efficiency, harmonizing industry with the surrounding natural beauty.
The cycle is complete.